Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to install your Gotv decoder and Gotv antenna, how to set it up. If you are new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and follow this page. Now you must have gotten your Gotv decoder, your Gotv antenna, your Gotv remote and a battery. So it all comes inside the pack. Everything you are seeing there, it comes inside the pack. We call it gotena kit. So after you have gotten it, let's teach you how to connect the antenna, how to set it up. Please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to get every bit of what we are saying here. Now let's go along with the installation of the antenna. This is how to connect the antenna. Make sure you fix it very well. You connect those antenna together. There is a button that you use to connect it. You can see the way I'm connecting this one. Now you need to set up your antenna in such a way that it does not face any tree. You know, tree can block the antenna, the antenna signal. So make sure it is free. You can also check your neighbor one to make sure you connect it. Now you put this cable, you connect it together. You see the way I'm doing it. Make sure it goes in that direction. So you now connect this holder. Connect the holder. You use the holder to hold the pole very well. Make sure that one at the red is at the top and the green at the bottom. Then you connect it very well. Connect it very well. Make sure there's nothing blocking it so that it will show the signal, so that the signal strength will be high. You can switch on your Gotv TV so that you watch the signal. Now you line your wire. After you line your wire, then let's go to how you connect it to your gotena. This is it. You connect those cables inside the gotena. Then you put this one at the right hand side, the first at the right hand side. You connect it together. Then you put your the charger. Then you plug it. After you plug it very well on your TV, then go there, switch on your Gotv. It will bring you automatic installation. Then it will ask you to enter your country. Make sure you enter your correct country and your language preference. After you've done that, then it will take you to an automatic scanning where you are going to scan to see the available channel. Now after you are done with that, press OK for the TV to scan. In case you are getting error and it does not scan very well, it shows your signal strength is low. So once you press OK to it, it will take you to an automatic scanning where you will see the signal strength. Now press OK. Look at it. This one signal strength is very low. You can see it is very low. Now you go there, you switch your gotena very well, switch the decoder very well. Then you can see the signal strength there. Make sure you switch your antenna to make sure it gets the appropriate signal very well. Once you are done with that, then tie it properly and go and rescan. Once you rescan, all your channels will show and you'll be able to enjoy your Gotv. That is how to install the Gotv antenna and Gotv decoder. Then you can enjoy every bit of it. Now, after that, you are going to do some setup. So to do this, you can just download the Gotv app on PlaySore. On this Gotv app, you can do so many things. You can manage your account, you can clear error codes, you can even pay online there. So let me introduce you to a platform where you can be paying your Gotv subscription. It is Jumiabot.com. That's the website showing on your screen. Jumiabot.com. Once you register on the website, fund your wallet and click on Pay Bills and start paying your Gotv subscription there. They have a 24/7 customer care line, so you are guaranteed. You also register on the website and keep using it to pay your Gotv subscription. It is very easy to use and 24/7 customer care. See you next time.